What is an e-commerce business? In today's video, we'll be diving straight in to see exactly what market segments this means and what this business model entails, and how everyone around us and most people are doing this now and how easy it is for everyone. Hi, my name is Benjamin Davis. I help businesses go from 5 figures to 6 figures, 6 figures to 7 figures, and 3 figures to 4 figures through customer automation and email marketing, and also paid channels as well. With that being said, let's dive straight into the video. So what is an e-commerce business? An e-commerce business model allows customers and individuals to buy and sell goods and services to a wider market audience. So the main market segments for e-commerce businesses are business to consumer, B2C, business to business, and consumer to consumer. E-commerce businesses help both small and large companies. So in particular, they help smaller brick and mortar companies create more brand presence, more brand awareness, and this also helps them attract a wider target audience. For bigger companies, again, it allows for brand authority, brand awareness, and allows them to hit a much bigger section of the market, but also target people that are national, international, worldwide for their goods and services. Some of the benefits for large businesses and small businesses are it allows you to scale very, very quickly. There is obviously an infinite end to customers that you can attract, given that you have the right messaging, the right offer, and the right products. You can also scale your business through organic content. However, this tends to be a lot slower, and particularly more for larger businesses. Depending on their budget, they like to scale through social media, paid ads to really hit the individual with their products and services, allowing them to, really grow their revenue very, very quickly. Some of the key metrics that you need to bear in mind are what the lifetime value of your customer is. So by this I mean, if you have, for example, a business that sells a customer a $50 product, but they buy that same product, it's a replenishment product, twice a year. So that customer each year is worth £100 or $100 to you, and they buy that product for, unless you obviously annoy them or give them really bad customer service, they buy that product for 5 years. So that will give your customer a lifetime value of £500, $500. So that's a key metric to bear in mind, especially if you're considering going down the paid advertising route. And also another key metric to bear in mind, and can have a massive impact on your business, is what is your average customer order value. So if they buy, again, we'll use the £50 product for example, what else does your customer need? What else can you provide them in the way of an upsell, in the way of a cross-sell, in the way of additional products that may complement the product or service that you're offering? This will make you much more profitable as a business if you can really utilize this and really hammer down on this concept. Good ways to actually find out what your customers, or what else or you can be offering or serving them with, is to ask your customers a survey or ask your customers a poll, and also obviously look at your competitors, see what they're doing and how you can make your offer, your unique offer, different, that will make them more inclined or more likely to purchase your goods and services, and will set you apart from everybody else. So to summarize, e-commerce businesses, it's very, very convenient. It can be done from your mobile phone, from your computer, from literally anywhere in the world. However, some of the cons for this are you can't, as a customer, you can't physically go and try the product before you buy. You can't touch and feel it and experience it firsthand. However, by creating content, by creating images and videos, product videos, this is obviously the next best thing, and something that a lot of e-commerce businesses really do need to utilize, almost giving the customer that experience of touching and holding and feeling the product before they buy it. And e-commerce businesses as well, I can't stress this enough, you have to have your customer service on point. Obviously the customer services, they're not seeing face to face where they would on a brick and mortar business, so you have to give them a very personable approach, and have a automated post-purchase sequence. Happy customers are going to be returning customers, and they can also be very, very fruitful in the way of if you have a referral program or incentives as well. Some top tips as well, if you are an e-commerce business or if you are looking to get an e-commerce business: really create a unique selling point for your product or service. This way it will set you apart from everyone else. You don't want to be racing to the bottom to be the cheapest person. Sometimes being more expensive is often more advantageous than being the cheapest, but really create a USP and give your customer exactly what they want. Establish a lifetime customer value. This will give you a good indication if you're looking to go down the paid advertising route as well, and that way you'll be able to calculate exactly how much you will be able to spend to acquire a customer. And also, you've got your customers there, you've got your customers on the site, they're browsing, they're looking. Look at ways on trying to maximize their average order value. This will really, really give you a heads up. Maximizing the order value could have a massive impact on your business. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video today. There'll be more videos to follow every single week, so be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, and I'll see you on the next one.